Hey everyone, Dr. Alibi here. This is a great exercise with the lacrosse ball to help alleviate pain in your forearm, also known as tennis elbow. A lot of these tendons actually get really inflamed chronically and tight because of overuse and repetitive strain. You're gonna use a tennis ball. You'll see here, when I'm moving my fingers, the muscles up here are moving. So these tendons start right here in the elbow. You're gonna take a lacrosse ball. Now let's come this way, actually be easier for you to see. You're gonna put your hand on your thigh and you're gonna bring your wrist up towards your head. You're gonna find the fleshy part of your forearm and find the tender spots on there, okay? You're gonna lean into the wall, put the ball through there, lean in, wrist comes up towards the head, your whole body is leaning into the ball. And now you're bringing your hand down towards your thigh. Hold that there as you're putting pressure from the ball. You can see how it's pushing on the tissue. Now relax, bring your arm back up again, your hand back up towards your head. You're taking the weight off the ball. Now you're leaning back in, your hand goes up towards your head. You're leaning into the ball. Now bring your hand back down towards your thigh. What we're doing is we're actually pulling the tissue apart and stretching it while we're releasing tension with the lacrosse ball. Move all the way down throughout your forearm, okay? You can switch it. If you're getting discomfort here, sometimes numbness in your hand, put the ball in through the top of your forearm. A lot of those tendons actually attach on the inside here. You can bring your hand, might be a little bit harder with your wrist in this position, but you can start with leaning in and now bring your hand, your palm, so it's facing the ground like that, okay? Work all the way through your forearm, front and back. The other thing that I like to do, is just with my hand, because I use my hands a lot obviously too, is just getting through some of the thumb muscles and just start opening up some of the tissue just like that throughout the day. You can do this before you go to bed or in the morning, and it'll help prevent a lot of what we call tendinosis or tendinitis in through the thumbs and the hands. So there's great stretches that you can do. Sometimes yoga poses will help open up your arms as well. Use the lacrosse ball at home. It'll make a big difference to some of that pain and tension that builds up and prevent a lot of injuries. Have a great day.